You tired of typing out the same text messages repeatedly? Do you wish you could automatically respond to certain messages without much effort at all? Well, you're in luck. I'm the CyberGuy. You can follow me at cyberguy.com for more of these kind of tips. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter. All right, today we're going to show you how to set up auto reply messages on an iPhone running iOS 15 or later. The secret here lies in the fantastic focus feature. It allows you to customize your iPhone and handle notifications while sending out auto reply messages when needed. To begin, open your Settings app, scroll down and select Focus. Here you're going to see various focus options like driving, sleep, and more. For this example, let's select driving. Tap on auto reply and choose who you want to send the auto reply message to. No one, recents, favorites, or all contacts. Your iPhone will have generated a default message for you. If you want to personalize it, simply tap inside the box and type whatever you want on that custom message. But what if the focus option you want isn't listed? Well, no worries. You can create a custom focus option or explore other options available. To do this, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Focus. Now let's say you want to add dinner. Tap the plus or add button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Choose Custom and give your focus a name, in this case dinner, add a color and then an icon to represent it. Then tap Next. But that's all you really need to know. With auto reply messages, you can let others know you're busy without interrupting your flow. For all the latest tech tips, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.